Good morning.
Morning. My driveway. Well, that was dumb. I probably should have just left it.
Oh, dang. I like it. That was quick.
So, the guy who owns that shop is also he races in Bonneville Salt Flats in his rocket car that he owns. He owns he owns a rocket car. It looks like a goddamn NASA space shuttle. And then they haul ass on the Bonneville Salt Flats and try to kill themselves. We're going to Leavenworth, baby! Woo! Okay, kids, welcome back to the channel. We are heading to Leavenworth, Washington on this somewhat cloudy day. In the pack today, we have Mr. Green, Uncle Rob, and myself. It's really cool that Mr. Green could make it because we kind of made this plan very last minute. Thought it would make for some cool content for a cool video. Shoot on up there, check it all out, get some grub. In Midweston, I am going to try to remember to bring the camera into the food place. If I don't remember, I'm sorry. But anyways, sit back, relax, grab a beverage, maybe a snack, and enjoy the beautiful ride. Before we get going too far, the style of video that I like to shoot, especially on, I mean, it's an hour and a half away. It's not that, far, but I like to play a lot of music in my videos, but at the same time, I also like to kind of chime in every once in a while with thoughts, things that are going through my head at that specific time. So every once in a while, the music will fade out. I'll start talking about something that pops into my head that I think you guys would be interested in, and then music will reappear. So with that being said, no further ado, let's get into it. Are in the local area and you guys are in between Brewster and Wenatchee, or Chelan and Wenatchee, you guys have to check out that coffee place. They got some amazing coffee, and they have Blue Star coffee, which is the big coffee around these parts in north central Washington, and I definitely prefer them to a lot of other brands. You guys should check them out. You know, if you're in the local area. Don't know, those nets are over cherry trees to keep the birds from eating all the cherries before they can be harvested. I just learned that like 2 years ago. My wife told me about it. 'Cause like I said, I've lived here going on 12, 13 years now, and I've never known what those are. My wife had to break it down for me. I was like, are the trees cold? Why are they putting those nets over the trees? And my wife was like, you're an idiot. Those nets are for the birds. I was still confused, believe it or not, and then she had to break it down even further for me. I do believe she used crayons and butcher paper. And she was like, you see, without these nets, all the birds are gonna eat all the cherries, and then there's no cherries for human people. I was just like, oh, okay. Oh, okay. Nah, I understand now. You don't really have that problem with apples, you know. Turns out little birds can't haul apples off because they don't have backpacks. You know, guys, the thing about riding a motorcycle on this particular road is the scenery changes so fast. At the beginning of this video, what I was trying to do was to save battery life. I don't know why I'm trying to save battery life. I have 5 extra batteries in my bag. But anyways, I was trying to save battery life by toggling the camera on and off to capture different things that I thought was pretty, and I just kept like, oh shoot, every time I turned it off I wanted to turn it back on again. It's hectic, terrible. No, it's not that bad. But there's in comparison to the little town that we live in, it's a pretty big area. There are a lot of people. Traffic is terrible. But it's pretty, I'll give you that. And there are roundabouts every 15 feet. How do you like these views, man? It's crazy how pretty of a ride this is. I am not exactly the directions guy. Like, I'm not good at land nav. I was never really good at it in the military, which brings me to a funny story. Cut to Eglin Air Force Base in the panhandle of Florida. We are doing land navigation course for pre-deployment training. So, of course, to go to the mountains of Afghanistan, the Air Force sees fit that we train in the swamps of Florida, but whatever. We're doing this land navigation course, and of course, like an idiot, I volunteer for land navigation lead. Basically, I'm point man. So we're walking in a staggered column formation. I'm point man. I got the ranger beads out. I'm trying to keep track of our pace. So if you guys aren't in the military you set your pace count. Basically, you want to measure out how many of your paces it takes to travel 100 meters. And then every 100 meters you would drop a bead on this little string of ranger beads. And then that's how you would keep track of how far you went, is you could look down at any point in time and see how far you've traveled. Anyways, I am very squirrel-brained, and I get distracted easily, and I wasn't medicated for being ADHD at the time, so I had a really hard time remembering what number I was on, how many, oh shit, did I already count to 70 or whatever the hell it was? And did I already drop a bead, or did I forget to drop a bead? Like, it was stupid. So every once in a while, our squad leader would call a halt. We would all halt. He would send a runner up to me.
No, man, let me take a look at that map right quick. Why is everybody all obsessed with the map?
And the runner, this poor guy, he was so mad at me. He would ask, all right, Cornell, how far have we walked? And I looked down at my ranger beads. I knew it was inaccurate as, all get out. And I would just make it up. And I was just like, I don't know, 300 meters. And the runner kind of looked at me weird and was like, okay.
Lost, we fucking super lost, man. Tell him, McCluskey.
And he ran back to the squad leader, told the squad leader 300 meters. And I could hear the squad leader from all the way up front going, what? Are you serious? God damn it, Cordell. And so then the runner would come running back up to me, and I was just red in the face. I was embarrassed. And the runner came up and sat down and said, Cornell, try again. And I was just like, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea. Dude, I lost count so many times. I was just kind of trying my best here. So I kind of got my ass chewed out for that. That poor guy. His name was Master Sergeant Gollahue. And he was our squad leader for that deployment. I felt really bad. We all learned something that day. So anyways, I told my wife that story. I made the mistake of telling my wife that story. And from then on out, well, not all the time, but anytime we had to go somewhere, she'd be like, are you sure you got this land nav? Do you got this? are you gonna get us lost? I'm like, I'm gonna try not to get us lost. But that's what she would call me, land nav, for a while, which I thought was funny. So pretty. It's the sausage garden. Entrance. No, it's French. So pretty.
To partake in the sausage.
I still don't.
It's not big ice cream.
There's got to be like a.
There is an ice cream thing.
It's right here.
I think there's a couple of them. Someone in one.
There's only one on the corner, so I always have to park across the street and walk over.
Yeah. I mean, look at that.
Oh, if only you could smell in the video. Huh?
I know, right? I'm such a fat kid. Like, dude, anytime I smell food, it's like, yep. I feel bad for Rob because Rob can go 6 days without food. I can't. I can go about 3.5 hours without shoving more food in my face.
That's where Gina went. Ice cream.
So this is Leavenworth, Washington, y'all. Oh, and they got a little art show today.
Photos by Steve is too busy to do anything right now, so I'm kind of being patient. But
What's Photos by Steve?
from the Desert 100.
Oh, got it.
Yeah,
After
I
you,
thought- I
sir.
have like 3 good pictures of him. I did.
Oh,
Turned into like 1.
heck yeah. Those are cool.
Connor got a wheelie in. You could just see it. I'm off the ground like this far for like 10 feet, and I was off the ground far enough, and then where I just bottomed down, there's like rocks coming off of my skid plate.
I oversent it. I really just laughed at it. I hit and then didn't wipe out. I was like, just died. I land like a sack of shit falling out of the sky.
Catching air and then just kind of like launched off of the ledge. The suspension set up so much that it just kind of bottomed out a little bit.
I jumped the wrong jump.
I think last time we came here with Matt, we ate down this way or something, but I don't remember.
I'll pay that probably. Here, flying spirit.
Well, things like taxes.
Yeah, exactly.
At the Barron House, steak and chicken, pizza, Sammy's, burgers. That sounds nice. What do you think? You want to keep walking? Keep looking?
It's up here.
Yeah, I'm bringing Elizabeth here.
Oh, is she obsessed with Christmas? I mean, at least she's not obsessed with like Flag Day. That would be weird. Yeah, don't pick President's Day.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a Mongolian grill.
I don't know the difference. For a minute.
You don't know the difference between a normal grill and a Mongolian grill? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
They pick the hair out of it for you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Mongolian with, I think it's the one where they cook it all in front of you. At least a couple that I've been to. It's like
Yeah.
a big steel thing that's on fire, and you like put your noodle in there.
I thought that was hibachi.
No, hibachi's the Japanese-inspired one. That one's Mongolian.
See, it's the same thing.
You uncultured swine. Yeah, this is where Jen and I came to eat.
Going to cut trail.
Now you have to eat on YouTube.
Do.
Yeah. So then that was it. But nobody knew where we were going, and so you had to stop at every intersection. It was like, this big route.
All right, guys. We have wrapped up our visit to Leavenworth, Washington. We're actually going to cut through Chelan on the way back, but on the opposite side of the river. We had some good food, good conversation. We found this amazing shop, Iron and Velvet. It's a Harley Davidson clothing boutique. And they had some really cool stickers. They had Harley Davidson poker chips, just coffee cups, beer steins, belts, gloves, jackets, hoodies. I mean, they had it all. Really cool store there. So if you guys are in the Leavenworth area, make sure you check out Iron and Velvet. And there is literally a roller coaster right here. Look at this. So just one last shot of Leavenworth on our way out. And then some pretty views on the other side of the river. My wife and I did our honeymoon here. The first night we spent at a bed and breakfast and I don't remember exactly where that was, but it was amazing. And then we came here, I think, for 2 days, 3 days, something like that. Now see, even the bank's Bavarian themed. It's really cool. It's a sweet shirt Rob's wearing. Oh, and I see on the sleeve, that's from DMZ Apparel. It's a nice shirt. How did you like that one? Beautiful ride, beautiful mountains, trees, good food, good friends, motorcycles. I'm pretty stoked to have been able to show you guys Leavenworth, Washington. Stay tuned to the channel. Do the liking, the commenting, the subscribing, doing all the YouTube stuff. Subscribe for more content just like this. We got plenty more rides scheduled. Plenty more installs scheduled. Got some cool stuff coming up for you guys. So thank you again for watching my videos and for tuning in. Keep the shiny side up, the rubber side down. I'll see you guys when I see you.